friend of mine says that some people have trouble straightening these things out. Our friends on the railroad keep throwing these over my fence, so to speak. They pop off the rails or whatever, and I find them in the backyard. So I make stuff out of them. They're actually pretty good steel for a lot of things. So I'm going to show you how to straighten one of these things out.
On heat.
The clip has been in the fire for about 8 or 10 minutes, getting nice and hot. I've put the filter on the camera so there won't be so much glare. You might actually be able to see something. So, let's see what we can do. Okay, and straight enough. You can turn it around and heat up to get the little notch out. But I can put this in the ashes to anneal